SBA Publications.
Hello my dear kids, myself Vinita Nautiyal is going to teach you today your chapter number 6 and the name of your chapter is I, you, she, he, it. These are the word and basically we use these words to make sentences, but now we are going to learn today new facts related to the same words. So let's come with me. Let's learn. The teacher asked the name of the children. Teacher is asking the name of the children here. I am Vipul. I am Rashi. I am Rita. A child was sitting silently. Anita ma'am asked the child, why are you quiet? Vipul told the teacher, he is Deepak. He is not well today. So, now it is clear that children are using I is individually for one. The teacher is using you for the child whom she is talking to. Vipul is speaking about the other boys, Deepak, by using he. So basically they wants to tell that जब हम particularly अपने बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, then we will use the word I. जब हम किसी particular दूसरे boy के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, then we will use the word he. जब हम किसी particular दूसरी girl के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, then we will use the word she. Clear? Now, so the word we are used in place of naming words are called pronouns. जिन words को हम naming words की जगह पे use करते हैं, उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Pronouns कहते हैं. जैसे I and you is used for the boy, a girl, a man or a woman. For I, you can go with the following category, right? Now, he is used for a boy or a man, but he, we can use the word he with boy or a man only, and she is used for a girl or woman, similar, right? It is used for non-living things, animals and birds when they do not have special name. When there will be any animal for whom we are indicating, तो हम उसके लिए word use करेंगे it. But अगर उसका कोई name नहीं होगा तो, okay? So now we have let's do it. Circle the pronouns in the following sentence. Here you have to circle the pronouns. She went to the store with Anjali, but Anjali is the naming word or she is the pronoun word. Clear? In the same way, you people can also do it. B. Look at the following pictures and fill in the blanks with I, you, he, she or it. आपको क्या करना है? Following pictures को देखना है और यहाँ पर पे blanks को fill करना है with I, you, she and it. So here is the boy is playing with the ball. So we can use here he. Clear? In the same way, you will also complete the given exercise. And the next one is fill in the blanks with I, you, she or it. आपने I, you, she और it का use करके इन्हें complete करना है. Hello, do you. Clear? So, in the same way, you will also complete the given exercise. And if you face any doubts, then you can go through with the given video again. I'll meet you in your next class with your new interesting topic. Meanwhile, keep on learning. Stay healthy. Goodbye.